So let's take a look at some stores that are jumping on trends and they're doing very well. So let's show you how you can do that. So you've watched a new Netflix show, or you've seen a new Netflix show, you've seen a new game, you've seen a new movie, you've seen something new come out, and it's taking social media by storm. How can you capitalize on this? So you can set up a print on demand product, creating something like this. You can reach out to suppliers and you can get things made like this, get things made like this. You know, so many different options you can do. You can source such a variety of products, because you've got to remember your suppliers want to make money too. So them jumping on trends quick is good for them. So Wednesday is taking the scene by storm at the minute. So I've just done such a basic search on Etsy here. I've done Wednesday Netflix, right? A month ago, 2 months ago, that would not mean nothing, right? But because of the trend, look at it. It's just all Wednesday. It's just all, the Adams. So let's dive into this. Let's see what products are doing well and let's learn from it. Let's get you set up so when a new trend hits, you can capitalize and earn big money. So you can make a product like this. You can do this yourself if you can do design or get it print on demand. Or what's stopping you spending £10, $10 to someone on Fiverr, getting them to do this design, then you putting it on sweatshirts, t-shirts, caps, hats, anything, cups, mugs. Just get it out there, get it on your store, and organic SEO will take care of the rest. So let's dig deeper into some more products. Here we have a hoodie, looks pretty cool. Here we have a little poster. Such basic photos with it. They only have one of the product and the rest is just, the rest of theirs. We have this is a mouse mat, coaster, that was a very cool scene from the movie. And here, look at that, how awesome is that? Looks nothing like thing, but it just goes to show. So let's actually see how wow these suppliers and these sellers are doing. So I took a look on this Bright Poster sales. Look at their recent sales. Wednesday. Do you get the picture? Jumping on trends makes you money. It makes you lots and lots of money. Let's do another one, for example. So we have the coaster. Wednesday. They jump on trends, they earn a lot of money. Let's just reinforce this theory, right? Here, look, I don't even have to point it out, do I? I don't even have to point out what's being sold the most on this store. Okay? Look, 20 people currently have it in their basket. That's pretty common. Realistically, it's probably 100. And then look, this will probably be when the trend was just picking up. Okay, I think I've made my point, right? So, a new trend's come out, you get some designs made, you get it print on demand, or you speak with a supplier to get them made ready. You find products around that trend, you find things like this, you get these made from the film, you can get stickers done. If you can find someone that can make you something like this, fantastic. You do t-shirts, you do hoodies, you do jumpers, you do pullovers, you do quarter zips, you do full zips, mugs, you do posters, you do artwork, you do everything known to man around a trend. You make as much money as possible, and by the time that this trend's died out, guess what? There's a new one for you to jump on. So instead of just wasting your time watching these Netflix shows and getting nothing out of it, if you're an avid Netflix watcher, you are going to know trends. If you're an average gamer, you're going to know trends. You're going to know what people talk about. You're going to know what people play. You're going to know what they want. Use that to your advantage. Get products whipped up, and you will do very well on Etsy. So guys, that pretty much wraps this up. I hope I've made my point clear and gave a good demonstration of what you can do. If you want some more videos like this, please please subscribe, and just comment on what you want to know about Etsy, and I will try and get it done for you. You can also join my Discord server. It's discord.gg/Etsy. The link is in the description. So, thanks guys. Have a great day.